Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to fix THERMOMIX TM6 stopping during operation. If it stops during operation, then there are three things to do. First, make sure that your device is not overloaded. Make sure your mixing bowl is not overloaded. Once I remove the lid, you'll see that inside there's the maximum level marked. It has this max marked right here, and that is 2.2 liters. You should not exceed that, but with higher speeds, you should actually put even less than that. Depending on what speed, but if you're doing like, I don't know, speed 10, then definitely don't put it all the way up to maximum. Set it to like 1.5 liters or something like that. Also, make sure that the thing that you've put inside isn't, if it's frozen or it's ice or some frozen chicken, let's say, then make sure it's cut into parts before you put it in, or unfrozen, because that may cause the motor to block, and that will stop the machine if that problem happens, if it happens. So make sure to cut things into smaller parts, especially for higher speeds, and especially applies to frozen things, because frozen stuff is heavy. You shouldn't exceed 6 kilograms inside the bowl, which the scale even doesn't go up to that level. The scale here goes to 3 kilograms. So, but it says here max 6 kilograms, and you shouldn't exceed that because it may overload your device. Now, if that didn't help, try restarting your device by pressing and holding on the button, waiting until the screen goes off, then waiting half a minute, and then turning it back on by pressing on the selector button. And if none of that helped, try cleaning the air intakes on the back of your device. They may cause your device to overheat. This is the plate that you should remove from the bottom, like that. Then clean it. Make sure there is a way for the air to come through it. You can wipe it, because it does get a little sticky after some time. You can wipe it with a damp cloth, but make sure that no liquids get in these holes here. Then install it back on, and it should fix the issue. If not, then you may want to contact the after sales service. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.